My name is Chris. Today is kind of like a relaxed day for us. In summer vacation, we rarely have, spare time to be with my family. And unfortunately, I have a great day with my wife and my kids because I just back to Ireland and we just went to the films factory and how to make the films right here. And I'm so happy because in Delhi, I don't have any spare time to be with them. And luckily, we have a great day with my wife, Peggy, and my children, Jesse, Joy, and Peter. It's great. It's awesome. You can see a lot of people right here. See that? And they are trying to make their own big films, kind of like architectural works right here. Okay, see you then. Hi, I'm Chris. Let's take a look at what they are going to do. This is kind of like a processing the making the films. They are doing some cups and they're trying to put some stickers on the cup, and they just want to make their own style. Own styles cup, and the mainly cup is kind of like a Jesse. See that? Look at my wife. Oh my God! Such a great. Hi, that's my second daughter, Joy. Look at my wife. Her name is Peggy. Oh my God. You're so beautiful, Peggy. Do you want to join me tonight, Peggy? Alright. 他觉得他很烦呢。I'm Chris. Welcome to my channel. This is Chris for Model G. 超多人。现在跟老婆Jessie, Joy, Peter 我们来大风吹的工厂，然后 see that 我们就有like a swim OK 去贴这个吧 OK
他们应该再贴星星。
然后主要拍摄影片的目的就在于平常大家各司其职做自己的工作，到了6日，然后我们就可以like a family time, family spare time， 就像一个亲子。那一个礼拜，我完全没有看到我的老婆，也没有抱到她，连我最喜欢抱的位置也没有抱到。希望老婆今天晚上可以给我温暖的抱抱。我正在等她的回应，超多。Okay, just kidding. Now, companies is really important part in our daily life. 陪伴这一块是非常重要，尤其是在亲子这一块。那 we don't know how much time we can, be extending, but all we have to do is we gotta spend some time to doing a lot of things like hanging out with our children. No matter how much time we got, we just do something else, Okay. 来，准吧。